Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
New information just coming in. A flash flood warning now issued for southeastern Massachusetts and central Bristol County. That includes New Bedford, Fall River, Dartmouth, Somerset, Tiverton, Westport, and Acushnet, and Freetown. That's until 7 o'clock in the evening. Keeping an eye on a couple of isolated heavy downpours. Let me show you what I'm tracking on live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. Now, the coverage is limited, and when you look at your TV set at home, you see the colors of orange, red, and yellow. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, actually, and 7. So 7 areas, but not all locations getting the heavy downpours. So localized and isolated. Let's first start with the one that's been moving along. It's been stalled pretty much right along almost Route 95 from the Route 295-95 split. That would be Cranston, West Warwick, right over Warwick right now, not too far from Oakland Beach. I'm going to show you a live camera there in just a second, but this is more than likely slowing down travel. Problem is that it's a very heavy downpour, but it's barely moving. We have some lightning associated with this. I'll show you the lightning tracker in just a second. But where we have the flash flood warning, it's for this cell right in here from roughly Fall River out across Bristol County in Massachusetts. You see another area near New Bedford as well, downpours, and another one near Somerset. So isolated and slow movers. And the reason why some localized street flooding is likely in some of these downpours. It's one of those situations where some communities just a light shower, and then other spots a very heavy downpour. So the flash flood watch meaning the potential for flooding across the entire area, and that would be until 9 o'clock in the evening. And the flash flood warning, meaning flooding is occurring or imminent, is in this little area in Bristol County, Mass. And we'll watch for additional flash flood warnings that possibly may be issued over the next couple of hours. So no surprise. The threat tracker, and we showed you this last night, how we had today in the yellow category. So now through 9 o'clock this evening, medium threat of some flash flooding. Things will get back on track, though, later on this evening, overnight, and into Thursday, as much drier air starts to work into the area. Dark skies now in downtown Providence. Now we're looking off to the south and east, and you can see it is not raining here, but you see this gray curtain coming out of the bottom of the cloud off in the distance. That is a heavier downpour out towards. In fact, that's the one that we're looking at near Oakland Beach in Warwick, and 79 degrees right now on a west-northwest wind. Humidity is high at 77%. And wow, let me step out of the way. This is pretty impressive. But that's the darker clouds and some of the rain near Warwick right now. Boy, the visibility so far is okay, at least in Oakland Beach, but it'll be raining here very shortly in some heavier downpours. So some ominous skies in some areas right now. Lightning tracker has been very active. These are real-time cloud-to-ground lightning strikes. So that one area near Warwick and Oakland Beach getting some lightning strikes, and that second area now across southeastern Massachusetts. So it's not just downpours, but we're tracking cloud-to-ground lightning strikes as well. Keep in mind that all thunder produces lightning. It doesn't have to be severe thunder. But we're tracking a cold front as the leading edge of dry, comfortable air in upstate New York. So this front is the trigger setting off the showers and storms. As the front pulls offshore later on this evening, the show is over as far as rain and thunder, and then drier air will start to work in. Quick look at Futurecast. Starts off at 6 o'clock this evening with some of the heavier downpours, but watch what happens by late evening and certainly by midnight. It is all gone, drier air working in, and that sets up for beautiful weather both Thursday and Friday. Both look great with low humidity. I've added the chance of an isolated thunderstorm on Saturday. Does not look like a washout at 81. Partly sunny skies, warm and humid on Sunday, and a temperature at 83. So again, some spots getting downpours, others just a few light showers. We'll monitor the situation in our newscast over the next hour to hour and a half, and certainly any warnings, we'll get them to you on your TV set.
All right, sounds good. Thank you, Tony.